Hey guys, this is Jeff from Martin Survival. So here with me today I have the LifeStraw. Today I'm going to go over some of the features and specs of this, and we'll also test this out here by the stream. So stay with me and let's start our review. Alright, first off, this has two caps on the top. You have your straw end, and then you also have your filter end. And this is the end where you're going to dunk it directly into the water source, and then the straw end, that's where you're going to drink out of. And you have a lanyard up top, so if you want to wrap it around your neck, you can do so. Now, one thing I would do to modify this is I would cut this kind of cheap lanyard off, and I would put a little bit of 550 cord around it. So if I'm in an emergency situation, I have access to tough, strong cordage. And this just snaps right back on, nice and tight. It filters up to 264 gallons, and that's a lot of water. I mean, 264 gallons with this little straw, that's quite a bit. And you can only imagine, you know, stocking up on 5 of these, 6 of these, how much clean water you would get. And that works out great. Now, it removes bacteria and protozoa such as Giardia and Cryptosporidium. It's very light too. I mean, there's literally no weight to it. It's almost like a Mora neck knife, and that's exactly what I would compare it to, actually. I mean, it literally has the same exact weight as the Mora. It's nice and light, so it's not going to weigh down your neck at all. And I like this for camping and hiking. Usually I throw it into my backpack. So if I do end up in an emergency situation and say I can't boil water, I just have a portable filter with me, but I also stock up on some for my emergency kit and, hey, even my bug out bag. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take this down to the stream and test it out. Okay, so right here we have a slow moving stream, and right at the end of these rocks there's a pool of water, as you can see. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove each cap on the ends, and I'm going to dunk this right into this pool of water and start drinking. Now, some of the instructions on other straws and some of the competitors tell you to drink through it and spit it out. Keep in mind, if you're in a real life survival situation and you don't have a lot of water like there is right here, you should never spit that water out. That is a valuable resource and it's going to hydrate you. So just keep that in mind.
Okay, cut it. Okay, now you can see this. This is one of the biggest reasons that you have to be careful in the backcountry when it comes to your water. This is the same pool that Jeff was drinking out of, and there is fecal matter from wild animals, not only here, but all over behind us. The importance of being able to disinfect your water in the backcountry, whether it's filtering or by some kind of chemical method, is extremely important. Now, one thing that's very well worth mentioning about this filter, when you're done using it, blow through it to blow the excess water out of it. And what that's going to do is backflow the filter to help unclog some of these pores and extend the life of this filter.
Excellent. Well guys, we appreciate you joining me for this video. I'm Jeff with Martin Survival.
John Campbell from ArizonaBushman.com.
We'll see you in the next one.